Hey, what's up YouTube? Today my bag of crap came finally from Woot. It took me about 1 year to finally get this because whenever I would go online, it would sell out and then I wouldn't be able to get it. But one day I finally got it and the box is here, so I'm going to open it up just to show you what Woot.com gives you. And these guys sell out super fast. The size of the box is like it's a medium-sized box. I'm gonna get my box opener, cut it up. All right. Okay, finally. Oh crap. Okay. The first thing I get here is a screaming monkey. Oh man, this is already worth $5, and this box costs $10, by the way. Remove, all right. I don't think I'm gonna pull it, but this is supposed to make like crazy yelling sounds. So it's pretty cute guy. All right, next thing you get is a Woot grocery bag. I can definitely use this. All right, next is a Amazon Basics iPhone 6 Plus. Look, I think this is a case, but anyways, oh wait, no, it's an armband for iPhone 6 Plus and 6s Plus. So those phones are pretty big, so I think they'll still be able to fit modern phones. I'd say this is worth also around $6, so I already made my $10 worth. Okay, this is so, oh man, this is so random. So I guess this is for like an electrical outlet. Yeah. All right. And now they gave me a pair of pants. Okie dokie. Now what is this? This is a these are cargo shorts. Man, these are huge. Like I don't think I can fit these. But this is a size 40. Wicked Stitch. Never heard of this brand, but okay. 40 size 40 cargo pants. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. All right, now the next item is a book. It's by Brett Finley, a PhD. Let Them Eat Dirt: Saving Your Child from an Over-Sanitized World. Oh, okay, so it's talking about bacteria, and maybe this is related to allergies. Like you should let your child like be exposed to dirt so they won't get allergies. But anyways, I don't know if I'm going to read this. All right, next on this list is, next in this box is the Hunger Games coloring book. Oh, okay, yeah. If you're a fan of the Hunger Games, or like if you have children who like to color, this will be good. All right, Speed Chopper, 3D wind-up desktop racers. Another thing for kids. Mix and match for customized choppers. Oh, okay, huh? That's cool. Like you can, I think these are these like Legos? I don't know. Huh. And the last item. What is this? I don't know what this is. Dishwasher safe. Oh, it's a scrubby. Oh, okay. So I guess you're supposed to use this to scrub your dishes. Oh yeah, it's very unique. It's a very unique sponge. Like I've never seen this before, but I could definitely put this to use. Overall, the winners is definitely this monkey right here. I like that. Keep this guy around to encourage me. Armband case, so when you go running, I'm going to use this. I don't know what I'm going to do with the pants, but I'm definitely going to use the bag. But anyways, that's what I got for the bag of crap. I say I got a pretty nice haul. And anyways, hope you like this unboxing. If you like this video, please hit like or subscribe, and hope you guys have good luck with the bag of crap. And once again, this is from Woot. You get this on Woot.com. When they have their Woot offs, it's $10 and they sell out in 10 seconds. So you gotta get ready to hit buy. Anyways, guys, take care and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace out.